Now, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar is facing heat just as the big battle begins tomorrow. Karnataka unit of the BJP has filed a complaint with the Election Commission accusing D.K. Shivkumar of violating Model Code of Conduct. This is over his video where DKS was heard saying if people vote for the Congress, then drinking water and other facilities would be provided to them. Shivkumar was heard saying that residents would get Kaveri water and occupational certificates in their buildings if they vote for his brother. D.K. Shivkumar has rejected claims of the BJP. He has said that he was only communicating to the people that the Congress government was bound to solve their issues. Let's take a look at the BJP's complaint against the Deputy Chief Minister to the EC. They have claimed that D.K. Shivkumar has violated Model Code of Conduct. They have alleged that the Deputy Chief Minister promised water supply in exchange for votes. They have also said that D.K. Shivkumar tried to make a business deal with the voters and have urged the Election Commission to stop him from campaigning in these elections. Remember, it's his brother who's a candidate in Karnataka. So with that, the big question we ask is this. When you put a condition, a vote condition for water, is this not a bribe or even a threat? Listen in to what D.K. Shivkumar had said and what his defiance has been over that comment.
Your major problem is you want a CA site which has been a part of this apartment to be handed over to you. See, what has happened yesterday is history. Tomorrow will be past. But today is your hand. I am in your hand. You make use of me. You assure me. You vote me. Within 2-3 months, I will see that this has been handed over to you.
We are there to solve the problems. We are there in his constituency and Bangalore, entire problem. Whatever we are there, we are ready to help them. That is why it is request. We are there to help them. What is wrong? No, it is our duty. We are doing it. I have to communicate to them. I want to communicate to them that we are there to sort out their problem. By hook or crook, we are giving water to them.
एक बयान कांग्रेस के उप मुख्यमंत्री कर्नाटका से डीके शिवकुमार भी देते हैं। वो कह रहे हैं कि मुझसे सौदा करो, यदि आप मुझे वोट देंगे, मेरे भाई को वोट देंगे, तब मैं आपका ये काम करूंगा। क्या एक उप मुख्यमंत्री, क्या एक सरकार इस प्रकार से सौदेबाजी करेगी? क्या ये सरकार का दायित्व नहीं है कि जो वहां के निवासी है उनकी मूलभूत समस्याओं को पूरा किया जाए? क्या ये सीधे सीधे इलेक्शन कमीशन द्वारा मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट का और रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पब्लिक एक्ट का ये सीधा सीधा वायलेशन है या नहीं है?
Lakshmi Ashwin Gowda, spokesperson of the BJP Karnataka, Satya Prakash, spokesperson of the Congress party, joining us. Satya Prakash, I want to come to you first. D.K. Shivkumar has been quoted as saying, there is a condition, you should all vote for D.K. Suresh and then your OC certificates will be handed out. This is a mutual agreement. I also have the right to ask as I work for you. He also has been quoted as saying that you assure me that you will vote for me and within 2-3 months your demands will be cleared. Otherwise, do not come to me asking for it. Now, I don't know whether to call this a bribe or whether to call this a threat. This is both.
Shivani, you need to understand one thing very clearly. Our KPCC President D.K. Shivkumar have been targeted by the two leaders from Gujarat on a continuous basis. This is a doctored video. Not the entire video has been put. What happened was Mr. D.K. Shivkumar for the last 6 months has been fighting like a lion. He has roared like a lion. The BJP, the RSS, Mr. Modi and Amit Shah has tried to cage him in Tihar jail. But he has risen like a phoenix. He has brought Karnataka to power in the state. And now in these coming elections, while all the national media and all the opinion polls are suggesting 3 to 5 seats for Congress, clearly we are winning more than 20 to 22 seats. And this Bangalore rural has been a very prestigious seat where JDS and BJP together are fighting the DK brothers. What Mr. Shivkumar said was, as he is the Minister for Water Resources,
Yes.
Minister for Urban Development, Urban Development and especially Bangalore. When he went there as part of his campaign, the residents brought out some civic issues. These are all normal issues. Drinking water problem, occupancy certificate and all this. All this comes under his ministry, the Bangalore Development
Yeah,
Authority,
and he's holding
or
that as a
BBMP and
weapon.
BWS.
That's precisely the point. As the minister of these two ministries, he should have never morally mentioned these issues because he's the minister in charge and his brother is fighting from that constituency and he's making these issues contingent on the vote. In fact, he threatens he threatens the residents by saying, share your confidence in me and I will take care of your problems. I also saw booth results where you voted. You have not voted for any candidate. What is this?
So that is not a continuation. That is the doctored video that BJP has put.
Doctored meaning
that
he
video
didn't
is in
say
two
this.
parts.
One second. Doctored. One second.
Give me a chance.
No, one second.
Shivani,
You
give me a chance,
said
I will
doctored
explain
twice
the
now.
process.
One second. DK Shivkumar was asked about his comments. I have played that out. He never called the video doctored. He defended his
I
statement
will
saying
tell
there is
you,
nothing wrong. By
there
doctored,
are-
do you mean these are portions, not the complete video? Or are you saying he
Yes.
did not say any of this?
No. There are two things. First, he went there as a campaign manager. He went to ask votes for the Congress party as he is the KPCC president. You need to understand
Sure.
that. He is a deputy chief minister of the government also. These are all normal issues. Water, these are all common issues, civic issues. And when at the end of the campaign, when civic issues was brought out by the residents of that particular thing, he has assured them, yes, I am the Bangalore Development Minister. I have a responsibility towards solving all your issues. And
But
I
why did he
will
make
have
it
faith on me.
contingent to votes for his brother, sir? That's the main point.
Those are two different things. That meeting happened over a period of 45 to 50 minutes. At the start, they raised the issues regarding what problems they had. Then he replied those things.
No.
But at the
There
other
is a
side-
continuous period in which
No,
I want
no,
to. One second. Satya Prakash, just hold on. I want to bring in Lakshmi Ashwin also. There is there's a full continuation of a video, not in parts, at other parts,
No, the
where
whole
he
video
says,
is
one
just
second,
one
where he
minute.
says, till the property is handed over, you will not get OC. But there is a condition. You all should vote for DK Suresh. This is a mutual agreement. I also have the right to ask you as I work for you. Lakshmi Ashwin, you filed a complaint against
What
these
he said,
statements by
Shivani,
DK
give me just
DK
one
Shivkumar.
minute.
One second, I'll come back to you, Satyaji. I'll come back to you. Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
So
You
you-
filed a complaint against DK Shivkumar for violating model code of conduct. This is for the first time. This is the second time. First time also, we have heard him saying BJP party has been instrumental in falling down. The Vokaliga chief minister has said that is also violation of the model code of conduct. See, irrespective of who the people choose to vote, by virtue of being a minister, this is his primordial responsibility for him to work for the people of Bengaluru. Now, Congress party and the Congress leaders have been resorting to appeasement politics all these days. Now they are resorting to this kind of ransom politics, intimidating politics and threatening politics. People are watching them. They have failed as a government in maintaining the proper law and order in Bengaluru. Irrespective of creating brand Bengaluru, they have created crime Bengaluru. Now they failed to secure the internal security in Bengaluru. Now they're talking about the ransom and all. It is highly condemnable. It is as an abuse of power. We condemn this. We have filed a complaint for violating the model code of conduct. People are watching them. They'll definitely vote his brother out of the power. We are
Yeah.
very sure about.
He says,
Yes.
I come back to you, Satya Prakash. Let me quote another aspect of the video. I've already quoted 3 separate portions. He says, you want a civic amenity, a site handed over to you and supply of Kaveri water. If I get these done, what will you give me? What is that?
See, we need to understand two things. When Modi comes here and tells, I'll give you अच्छे दिन, मेरे को वोट दो, मैं तुम्हारे को अच्छे दिन दूंगा. What is that then? Is it luring the voters? In a democracy, everyone has a right what they are going to do once they come to power. And assuring the people that they are going to solve their problems and asking for votes is not a sin. We will solve your problems. That
But
is why,
he'll solve them
political parties and the government
post-elections.
is.
One second, he'll solve them
No.
post-elections, even
Yes,
though the central,
absolutely. That is what he
state
has said.
government can continue
He
to
has
work,
said-
and
yes,
Bangalore
yes, sir.
water problems have been happening for the last 2 months, but he'll solve them post-elections and only if they vote for DK Suresh, right?
No, what he said was, please understand, there are two issues. Asking for vote, this is campaign time. In another 10 days, this particular constituency is going to vote. That is a right of Mr. DK Shivkumar to ask votes for his party and for his brother. There's nothing wrong in it. That is on one side. Second thing is, these people raised some issues that they have problems. As a sincere politician, as a Bangalore minister in charge and part of the government, he is a deputy chief minister. He has said that as soon as the elections are over, I am going to do my best to solve your problem. You have enough faith on me. I am a lion. I will fight these people. Modi
Okay.
will not solve
How do
your
you
problem.
respond?
Modi has caged me in TR jail.
Lakshmi
I am going to
Ashwin,
solve
how
your
do you
problems. Modi will not solve your problems. is what
How do you
DK Shivkumar
respond
said.
to that? DK Shivkumar has also said nothing wrong in what I said. This is a partnership. He alludes to that in his statement, and he wants the support of the public, albeit for his brother in this case. But they are in power in the state. They want to have MPs from their parties as well.
DK Shivkumar has been so much lethargic and has had so much inertia for doing his work what he ought to have done by being a minister. He was waiting for these Lok Sabha elections to come and people to vote for his brother to come to power. Then only he will work for the people of the Bengaluru. It is too ridiculous. By being a minister, what was he doing all these days? It is quite threatening the civilians for voting his brother to power. It is not the way to brazenly abuse the power of being a minister. It is brazen abuse of power. It is strict case of violating the model code of conduct. Model code of conduct is using his position, constitutional position as a minister to threaten them. It's not the point that by being a KPCC president, he is campaigning for his brother. He is leveraging his position,
Okay.
constitutional position.
Can I quote
as a
one more?
minister to threaten them, to abuse them. Right?
Can I quote one
It is
more
not
line from
just-
his statement? This has been reported widely in all, print and video media. He says, because Lakshmiji used the word leverage, and I think people can go a little bit ahead, one step ahead, and not just say leverage. Because he says in Bengaluru, who can give people Kaveri water, me or someone else? I am personally aware of how much water is currently being pumped, especially to RR Nagar, Bengaluru South and Anekal areas. Satya Prakash, this is not just going to the public and saying, I will work for you. This is basically threatening them that, listen, I have the power. If you don't vote for me and I have seen your booth results from the past, then I am not going to give you anything.
Please understand, Gupta ji, please understand that he is the water resource minister.
Yes, that is the
means-
problem.
Allow me to speak, no. Allow me to speak. Since he is the water resource minister, he can bring Kaveri water to Bangalore. That is what he said. And he is the minister for Bangalore also. That means BWSSB, which supplies water, is under him. So he will make efforts. Is it a sin for the deputy chief minister and Congress president to solve people's problems? That means in an election we should
No,
not
I'm
look at
quoting
people's
him.
problems.
Sorry, you're being very nice and conveniently forgetting that he's linking it to votes to DK Suresh. Again, I quote,
no,
till the property is handed over, you will not get
Shivani
OC.
ji, there
But
are two
there is a
aspects here. I have
condition.
explained.
You all should
I have
vote for
explained.
DK Suresh. This is our mutual agreement.
No. See, there are two aspects. Asking for votes, this is election time. We have to go to people to ask for votes. That is different. When we went to ask for votes, people told their problems. It is his duty also to assure them that once the elections are over, we will.
But as a
we will have
minister, should he be
sympathetic view of
seen
your
as
problems.
saying that you do this and then I will do this? As a minister, should he be
No,
seen
when there
saying
is When
this?
there is a model, when there is an MCC violation, I will tell you. If we had immediately told that I am doing it on the spot, then there is an MCC violation.
Okay.
He didn't do any violation. He
Lakshmi
said that
Ashwin,
you have
final
got
30
this different
seconds.
notice. I want to see a post-election.
The
how
Congress
it is.
doesn't feel there's anything wrong in what happened.
Such a kind of threats and quid pro quo model politics is not acceptable, madam. He has done Nanna Neeru Nanna Hakku Padayatra and he has dedicated entirely to Stalin and people have watched him doing that. And what did he get out of it? He didn't get Kaveri water to Bengaluru people. Now he is waiting his people to vote his brother back to power. Then only he will bring the water. It is quite ridiculous. It is highly unacceptable.
Prime Minister-
Highly
Okay.
unacceptable.
Mr.
We'll
Narendra
see what
Modi
the
is
EC
not-
decides. The complaint is with the Election Commission now. The complaint is with the Election Commission. The public has seen the video too, and they will also decide whether it's just canvassing for votes or whether it's bribing or threatening voters for votes. I leave it at that. I do thank our guests for joining us.